Watch out, watch out. Matthew. Dang, he went all the way across the road.
We got a call for a vehicle up on 65, said he lost control, swerved across the road, landed in a ditch. He had a few people with four-wheel drive trucks try to pull him out, and they made it worse. Can we come out and help him out? So we headed out.
Yep. Dang, he went all the way across the road.
Bumper.
Alright, so we got another call. It's a two-wheel drive Chevrolet trying to back up their driveway, and they slipped off the side of the driveway. Can we help get it back on the driveway so they can shovel the driveway and then back it back up, because it's blocking in all the other vehicles. Alright, we got two trucks stuck down here, and there's a whole gang of witnesses here, so we got to drive in the ditch around them all to get to them. Alright, the first one here is going to be a four-wheel drive Nissan Titan trying to pull out a Chevrolet, slipped off in the ditch, and now can't get out. So his directions are 4 low, do not hit the gas, keep the wheel turned. So I cannot see that his rear tires are spinning, so I'm assuming he's just rolling out.
Jordan, get over there and help your friend. Yes, it will.
So I pulled him out. I drove up top the hill to let him go. He could not go, so I think he just needed a little pull. I was still unaware that the 4-wheel drive is not working.
Matthew.
Give her the old yank. You said that works great on Facebook. I feel like you'd do better with stuff. So you got me. That was all your dad. Just go to that's for you, boy. Yeah.
He said, hey.
He's free spooling. He's not fooling you.
He's.
Hey, it's full of life back on. That was working. Oh! I was like, you don't fool it.
Alright, I'm gonna look under this tire and you just spin the tires again and look under.
Front axle ain't engaging. Transfer case is spinning the drive shaft at the axle.
He goes by, y'all's house.
Bang!
Oh.
Right, knock it off. Dang it! Watch out. It's gonna hit you wrong. Two-wheel drive. Hey, two-wheel drive.
Matthew, why are you doing that face?
So we got a call for two stuck trucks. They said only one is stuck, but the second one cannot back up to unhook the strap. It just keeps spinning the tires. So only one needs to be pulled out. But they're stuck together with this tight strap here. And this one looks like it's stuck on a mound of frozen dirt right here, and it's actually messing up this fender. So he wants this one to come out forward. So we're going to kind of lift this one and slide it sideways forward off of that little mound of dirt.
We have to pick it up.
Pull that one out first.
Well, it appears the mound of dirt wants to come with the truck. So now we're just going to lift it up and kick it out. Alright, so here we have a small tractor that got stuck yesterday. They spent several hours trying to get it out, and with a winching truck, and it was just too icy, they couldn't get it out. So now we're here to pull it out, and the customer wants us to wait till it's out to start it up. So that's what we did.
Like to get it level and let it sit a little while and then start it up. Just a 12,000. 30,000 on that one, but it was just pulling. Yeah, I mean, you can have 100,000 if you don't have traction. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it might just be because the whole, it's all